All right, boys and girls, here we go. We have May Daily Math, Day 3. So, number 1, it says, what is the area? And to me, it goes down 1, 2, 3, and then it comes over 1, 2, 3, comes down 1, 2, 3, goes over 1, 2, goes down 1, 2, and then comes all the way back over, okay? So this piece is 5, so you got every one of these lines is the line that it really is. Okay, so here's this line, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So there it is. What is the area? So we could count how many square units. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 square units. So for number 1, we could say 19 square units. Now we could have put this into a few different pieces too. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could have gone like 5 times 2, meaning this section right here. And then 1, 2, 3 times 3 is 9. So this equals 10. 3 times 3 equals 9. And you add those two together and you get 19. Kind of the same thing. Now the next question is, for number 2, it says, what is the perimeter? So the perimeter is like the fence, right? It's the rim, perimeter. So we want to find the distance around, not the area inside. So here's 3, 3, 2, 2, 5, 5. So basically we add that up, right? So 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. 2 plus 3 is 5, so that's 15. And 2 plus 3 is 5, so there's 20. So number 2, it is 20 units. You can also count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, number 3. Write these numbers down the stairs from greatest to least. Okay, so the top stair is the largest number. So I see they all start with 800. So there's going to be 800 something, 800 something, 800 something, and 800 something. Now I see an 8, a 9, an 8, and a 9. So I know the next one, I see 2 in the 9s, and then I see 2 in the 8s. Now we're looking between 898 and 897. So I see that 898 is bigger than 897. So 898, 897. Then we're looking at the two 880s. We have 89 and 88. So 889 is just a little bit bigger than 888. So it should go 898, 897, 889, 888 in that order from greatest to least. Okay, number 4. Couple things about pentagons. Well, what do you know about a pentagon? Yes, that is right. There are 5 sides. What else? Yes! 5 vertices, 5 angles. Okay? And that is something about a polygon. About a pentagon. Yes, it is also a polygon. Okay, number 5. Tanya and her mom picked strawberries for 30 minutes. If they finished picking at 2:35, what time did they start? This one says, show your answer on the number line. So here we go. Arrow, arrow, boop, 2:35. Now I like going like this. Okay, I'm going to move my little clock here. Going to go to 2:35. There's 2 o'clock. There's 2:35 right there. Now, Tanya and her mom picked strawberries for 30 minutes. If they finished picking at 2:35, what time did they start? So we know this is the end time at 2:35, okay? And they picked for 30 minutes. So I got to count backwards, right? I got to count backwards 30 minutes. So we can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So what time did they start picking? 2:05. That's also back 30 minutes, right? So you can go 10, 20, 30. 25, 15, 05. All right, boys and girls, there you go. Day 3 of May Daily Math. We'll see you tomorrow.